Hey guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make a video for Etsy listing, full tutorial for print on demand. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that can truly elevate your Etsy listings and can catch your potential customers' attention like never before. Have you noticed the new feature on Etsy? If you've been scrolling through Etsy's search result recently, you might have spotted a game-changing feature, which is listing videos. These eye-catching videos automatically play when you hover over a listing with that little play button in the corner. Trust me, these videos are not just catching my eye, they're grabbing your potential customers' attention as well. Here's the kicker. Most Etsy shops haven't hopped the listing video trending just yet, and that's especially true for print-on-demand sellers who might be wondering how to create videos for products they don't physically have. As you can see in here, so this is what Etsy's website would look like. So the listing video will play right there in the search result. You'll just need to hover your mouse over them, like this one. It's like a mini commercial showcasing your product's best features, and the impact is real. These videos are stopping shoppers in their tracks, making them more likely to click on your listing. That's right, these videos are your secret weapon for standing out in the crowded market. Now today, I'm going to walk you through a variety of options. Whether you want to purchase ready-made videos or create your own, we're going to cover it all. It's time to seize the opportunity to make your listing stand out and drive more sales by adding these engaging listing videos. Let's start by looking at how you can purchase some fantastic videos and can customize them to perfectly showcase your design. And if you're feeling creative, stick around because I'll also guide you through creating your own listing videos from scratch. Now let's talk about where you can get these amazing listing videos. So I've got a fantastic source for you, which is Moneymaker Mockups. I've pulled up her shop here, and you can see she offers a variety of superb mockups that are perfect for your print-on-demand business. Not only that, she recently added a collection of 17 new listing videos, and there are even more in the works. These videos are tailor-made for catching eyes in the search results, giving you an edge over the competition. So you can browse your shop here onto Etsy. Just search this Moneymaker Mockups. Now, if you want to start from scratch, we have here the perfect tool for that, which is Canva. So we'll be using this fantastic tool that's probably already familiar to many of you. So Canva Pro isn't just for designing mockups, it's your versatile companion for crafting listing videos that will captivate your audience. And if you're new to this, we've got your back. Now, if you're wondering why we are using Canva, this is our go-to tool because it is super easy and fun to use. So you could think of it like a virtual arts and crafts space where you can put in together words and movements to create eye-catching videos. So even if you're not a design expert, Canva's template and tools make it simple to make cool videos for your Etsy listing. So here's what you'll need to do in here for you to be able to create your own video. Just simply click onto create a design here onto the top part. And let's add in custom size in here. So we're gonna be using this one. So we'll add in also the width and height. So let's add in 2.5 and here onto the height 2000. So make sure that it matches as the thumbnail dimension, and once you're done, just click on create new design. Now you'll be able to see here the editing page. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to upload the video that you have for your print on demand business. So just simply click onto this left side in here. There is an upload button. So you could actually drag and drop the images in here, or you could simply click on upload files. So once we have our file ready in here, we could directly add it in here onto our canvas. So here's what you'll need to do. So you don't actually have to worry here in Canva because they separated images and videos already, so that it would be easier for you to find the images and the videos. So let's start here onto the videos. So let's click onto this one as per sample. So we have it already in here. So you could resize this one out. So let's do this. So we have already put it in here, the video. So right after, what you'll need to do is to add in your logo or your design. So usually you could upload the logo or design in here. So we don't actually have a specific logo. Let's just try this one out. So you could try to add in like that here. So onto the sample video that I've chosen, so I prefer not moving one, so I just got this one out onto free videos. So make sure to upload your own video and have it just focus onto the middle and not moving at all. So for you to be able to add it the transparency, you could adjust it in here so that it looks like it is attached onto the t-shirt. So you can add in like that, or make sure to be creative so that it would look nice. And now for the images, here's what we'll need to do. So let's just remove this one out first, and then you'll just need to add in the photos. So for example, let's try to add this one. So you could also have this one drag out in here. Let's simply resize this, make it bigger so that the shirt would be focused on, and like that. So what you'll need to do is simply add in this animate feature in here and add in breathe. So it looks like it's moving right now. So you could just actually duplicate this one. So what we'll need to do in here is to duplicate the page. So just need to simply click onto this upper part in here. This is the option to duplicate it. You also have here the lock page and the add page. So we'll just simply click onto duplicate page, and you have it in here already. Let's remove this and add in the other picture. So it's for it to be deleted, just click onto the right side, click onto delete, and then drag in the other photo that you want to add. So let's make it bigger, and then make sure to add in as well the same animation that we've added onto the first part, which is breathe. And if you want to do a quick preview as well, you'll just need to simply click onto this upper part in here. This is the preview button, and you could also adjust the time onto the breathe so that you would be able to reach the 15 seconds video, since that is the minimum requirement on Etsy. So just simply click onto this one to have your video reviewed. So this is a sample video that we made. So that is what it looks like. And for you to be able to download it, just simply click onto the upper part. You could just click on to share, and then right after, just simply scroll down and you'll be able to see download in here. You'll have the option to choose a file type. So I prefer choosing this MP4 video since this one is suggested, and just simply click on to download. So make sure to utilize other tools as well that Canva provides. We have for the design. So there are templates in here, the other elements as well. You can add in some tags, so a branding in here. You could also upload, just like what we did earlier. You can add in draw, and there are other apps that it integrated. And there you have it. We've gone ahead and learned how to create Etsy listing videos. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.